Good morning, Naija, and welcome to your Good Morning Naija show with me on top your health corner. My name na Dr. Adora, and I sure say you go don hear, especially for this our environment, say to carry pot belle, that na big belle, na sign of wealthy living. That one na lie. And now wetin I want debunk on top this week, na belly fat and the risk wey e dey cause. You know, so to carry extra weight, especially the one wey dey for belle, na risky business. And some people don't ask me some kind common questions on top this belly fat matter, especially for men. And that now waiting I won't begin the answer now. You know, say, they ask, say, okay, why it be say belly fat na concern for men? The trouble with belly fat na say, not be only the extra layer, that way we they see for outside, na im be the main gbege at all. They call this one subcutaneous fat. That's not the fat where they outside. The main wahala na the one where they inside, where they call visceral fat. And this one, it dey deep inside your abdomen. That one, you know, they see them with your naked eye. They surround your internal organs, all your liver or your kidney, them, all of them where they inside. And the one thing where they set in now, say people with this big belly, that now the deep visceral fat, then tend to they lose sensitivity to what they call insulin. You know, say when you chop plenty, you know, sugar and the rest of them, your body, they release insulin. And this now hormone where they help to burn your body energy, you understand? So when the plenty fat where they your body, plenty like that, when insulin begin they lose in power because your body know they respond to the pumping of that insulin where they come out. What's going to happen be say, you go throw your system off balance until say the insulin not meet the need of your body. As a result, people with this extra belly fat, then they're very open to plenty problems, whether they call insulin resistance syndrome or metabolic syndrome. These are some of the gbege where they follow when you don't get plenty fat and your body not fit meet the demands of the insulin, you understand? So this syndrome, they don't estimate, say, up to 50 million Americans, you know, say na them sabi do statistics where they don't discover, say, they get potential for different complications on top this matter. For one thing, people with this insulin resistance, that they often develop type 2 diabetes. This is not some of the gbege where they happen when person gets excess belly fat. Then they also get high blood pressure. On top that one, they experience too much bad cholesterol. And this one a recipe for heart disease, according to many studies where some people don't do. So make you not they worry yourself. Oh. If you not say you get, they look me now, and you get everything that they call love handles, that's what they call them. All these small ones where they by the side, where fat they inside. All this one are just surface of the skin. Now the visceral fat, that one where they inside, where they wrap your organs, where they inside your abdomen. Now them they cause all the gbege way we they talk about. So regardless of, you know, the state of your body, your overall weight, if you get large amount of belly fat, like I talked before, it they increase the risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes. Then you get one cancer where they affect the large intestine, the colorectal part, they call them colorectal cancer. Then on top that one, sleep apnea, where they consequently lead to snoring. So now the next question where some people ask me, they say, does your age or genetics play a role in gaining belly fat? If they help person, they get big belly. Well, your weighting they largely, you know, determine how you they balance your weight with the food where you they chop and the energy where you they burn. If you they chop too much and you they exercise too little, you they very likely to pack on excess weight, including belly fat. Because you go notice say when you they gain weight, your belly na one of the places where the weight could they increase. However, then talk say if you they grow old, as you they age they go, in that one they play role on top the matter because you go they lose muscle. So instead make you they get muscle, especially if you know they exercise. That muscle mass where you they lose like that, it they decrease as your body they use calories. So therefore, it will make them very challenging for you to maintain a healthy weight. In addition, in some men, the fat cells where they inside their arms and their legs, they lose the ability to store fat. And this one fit cause any excess fat where they get to go to their belly. Your genes self get the role where they play, but I go gist you about this one tomorrow. My name is Dr. Adora, and this is my health corner for Good Morning Naija show.
if you know say una just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.